Lane, HockeyNow.com. We're getting ready to go to a BlackBerry event. Don't know what they're going to announce, but let's check it out.
Play with it.
How quickly does it load? It's over Wi-Fi too.
Somebody said it looks like a bold and a free, like had a drunken one night stand. The UI, I mean the UI is fine, but it's like nothing distinctive. It's not there in Android and iOS.
Okay, you can't scroll while loading.
Turn me off the free keyboard. I don't like the radio on the outside. It's got the radio on the outside, so it's indented on the keyboard. So I was not
there are a few things that I haven't seen on other devices, right? Like that music sync, right?
yeah.
The ability to run apps in the background is pretty cool.
Right. The music sync is neat, and the ability to sort of download content. You know, basically, just like create a Slacker channel that's not live. That's kind of nifty.
I'm trying to get to the auto text or rap thing, but I haven't been able to make that happen.
The auto text word wrap thing?
You go to some websites and the font is really small. So
Oh yeah, we can like double. I think you're supposed to like double tap like.
It's supposed to do it for you automatically.
Right.
The browser's supposed to be able to figure out for you, oh, that's ridiculous, that's too small. Blow it up. And then fix the word wrap.
I thought you had to like two-finger tap to do that.
Well, I don't think
No, I'm
so.
sorry,
But
It's doing it very well.
Yeah, you're right. I know.
yeah, that dual tap multi-selection thing is new. I haven't seen that anywhere.
Okay. We're just playing. Okay.
I would love to see the word wrap.
Word wrap.
Yeah.
Do you want a demo for us?
So you just double tap. We got a lot of folks in here, so Wi-Fi's getting a little blocked down.
So you double tap it and it figures it out for you.
Yep.
Now, can you go double tap that again if you wouldn't mind? Alright, so that's clearly too small. Double tap it.
Alright, zooms to the picture, not the text.
Yeah.
Shouldn't it be zooming to the text?
Yeah.
It should. Maybe we tapped on the picture, not the text.
Let's try to go to
I'm trying to lean on this so it doesn't
yeah. There you go. Did you see that?
Well, did it move when it loaded?
Yeah. Let's get back out.
Ah, that's pretty cool, yeah.
Are there keyboard shortcuts, or do you have to put your finger on the screen?
There are keyboard shortcuts throughout the device. On the website here, I'd have to go double check on that. I haven't used any keyboard shortcuts on the browser per se. But in email I use it a lot. T for top, B for bottom.
What are the other things that you think are particularly nifty of this?
So it's really great. The whole new interface, you know, the touch screens having the sliding panels. They go up, down, left, and right. You've got your favorites. You've got your media icons. You've got all of the applications you've downloaded, plus the frequency. The frequency is really great. So if you're constantly going to the same application over and over, it remembers. And so it changes. It changes.
So how does it order?
Based on frequency.
So the most used is the browser.
Yep, exactly. And then second is then contacts. And it's constantly evolving.
Oh, but there's another area for recent. So if you just use a different program?
Well, there's your favorites, so you can identify favorite applications, contacts, bookmarks on this panel. The frequency panel will just continually evolve based on your behavior. So if you, let's say this week you're always going to your browser and contacts, it'll have that, but then if you start going into your social feeds, then that number one spot will change to your social feeds.
Have you used this for a while?
I have, yeah. So here's your social feeds, which is really great. You can see all of your Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, plus your IM accounts all in one, or you can filter out. So you have your Facebook on one, your Twitter on the other, or you can go all. And then if you want to go directly into the application, just click on that. It goes right into the mobile application itself.
Does it show Facebook videos or pictures?
Yep, yep.
Videos too?
Yep.
Can you post a video to Facebook?
I know you can post it to YouTube very easily. Posting videos to Facebook, I would have to double check on that. You can very easily post your pictures to Facebook by just going directly into your pictures. Open up a picture. Send email, text message, Facebook, Twitter. Real easy.
Which service is it used for Twitter?
What's that?
TwitPic?
TwitPic. And then universal search, again, just anywhere, start typing. Tony, you can see contacts, you can see a calendar, you can see email. Web video search is a great new application developed by AT&T, so it'll actually search over 70 internet sites and return videos from all of those sites.
Tab browsing?
Tab browsing, yep, yep. So tab browsing, up here on the corner here is your tab. So you can add a new tab. Let's go to BBC. So now if you go up there, you can go back to your Yahoo page, or you can add another one.
Very nice. The latency is really phenomenal.
Yeah, and if you wanted to close one, you just click on the red X there.
Can you do all that with the...
Yep. You can use the trackpad or you can use the touch screen.
That's good.
How about the music app?
So you go into the media panel. We've got Slacker Radio, AT&T Music. We also have your music library, so you can see songs by artists, songs by playlists. You got your playlists now, genres, or you can shuffle your songs.
What kind of playlist? Is that iTunes playlist or
You can
media player playlist?
You can wirelessly sync from your iTunes library as long as it's DRM-free content, and you can also sync your iTunes playlist as well.
Hey, look at this.
Is that a camera or a
That is your indicator for like messages and network.
So it's no 450
No,
camera.
no. The camera's on the back.
Landscape mode?
Start that. Yep,
Landscape mode?
portrait. And then Slacker Radio. This is nice too when you.
I've always used Pandora, but through Slacker you can put it on your. You can store some locally.
Yep, you can cache the station. Nope, we don't have a.
We need an account. Oh well.
Thought this was set up.
What else have we got? Camera?
Movie TV. Watch live TV. I guess I'm wondering if they have it.
Extra $10 a month, right?
Yes. thought these were all set up. So,
Can you show me how fast the camera is at launching and taking pictures?
sure. So
There a
you can.
camera button?
Yep. There's a camera button right here. So you just press that down. There you go.
I'll take a picture.
And you can take a picture either by tapping this icon
Or pressing the button
or
up.
pressing the button up top.
And even if you don't have that tuggy on you, you still got the
There's a little bit of lag between
Then you've
pressing
got
it when you take the picture.
you've got geotagging. So it's finding our current location, so it'll actually attach your location when you take the picture. You can also turn on and on your flash. We also have different scene modes for face detection, sports, beach, night, etc. Or just leave it on auto.
Nice. How many megapixels was it again?
5 megapixels with the flash.
Single LED flash.
It's kind of hard, isn't it?
Yeah, you got your wires all over there. Can you show me how thick it is compared to the Vibrant? Of course, this doesn't have a keyboard, so it's going to be thinner anyway.
Yep.
Nice. These are our volume buttons.
Yep, volume buttons up and down, and then your camera
Headphone
button.
jack.
Yep, standard 3.5 millimeter. And then here's your standard USB for your power.
Micro USB.
Micro USB. And then up here you've got your lock key as well as your mute key.
Excellent. So how do you know when it's on? Shows an icon on the screen.
Yeah, so if you're actually in making a phone call, just easily mute them. If you're getting a phone call and it rings, you can hit the mute key, it'll shut that down. If you're listening to music, hit the mute key, it'll shut that down. And then the lock key as well.
I see what the screen looks like compared to the Vibrant. Do you have a video on there?
Something is slow in there.
Pretty nice. Good.
It means you've got some feeds coming in.
Flash video should be coming right there.
You got your card.
Should be a video right here or there. Still loading? Or is it just